Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to take off the screws on a storm door. They're these special screws that they only go tighten them up, but then you can't get them out when you try to untighten them. Special screw, you have to have a special tool, whatever, so they say. But I'm going to show you how to take those off without having to buy any special tool whatsoever. Like here, look at this real close. This has a special head on it. When you put a screwdriver in, you can tighten it, turn it this way, and it'll be okay. But when you try to turn it, loosen it, the screwdriver strips off. So the special tool you're supposed to have to do this. I'm taking this door off. Let me show you here. Here's the screw right here. And I don't have that special tool right here, but I have this special tool. This pair of vice grips. So all you do, take vice grips, and there's a flat section on these heads. A flat section right there. Clamp your vice grips on there and then turn real easy. There you go. Just like that, no special tool needed.